Hello, welcome to solve this problem, which is systems of equation. That's the first one is 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of b, which is equal to 30, which is an exponential equation, and also a plus b, which is equal to 3, which is a linear equation. So we are asked to find the value of a and b for this equation. So let's go to the solution. From first, let's assign this equation and this equation. So let 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of b is equal to 30. So let's say it is equation 1, and a plus b, which is equal to 3. Let's say this is equation 2. So from equation 1, we have 5 power of a plus 5 to the power of b, which is equal to 30. So now let's multiply both sides by 5 to the power of a. So multiply by 5 to the power of a and multiplying by 5 to the power of a. So it will be 5 power of a, 5 power of a times 5 power of a plus 5 power of a times 5 power of b is equal to 30 times 5 power of a. So we have similar base here, so we can sum up the exponent. So it will be 5 power of a plus a, which is 2a plus, and also we have the same base, so we can sum up the exponent. So it will be 5 to the power of a plus b, which is equal to 30 times 5 power of a. So from here, we know that a plus b is equal to 3. So we can substitute 3 in place of a plus b. So 5 power of 2a plus 5, a plus b is 3, 5 to the power of 3, which is equal to 30 times 5 to the power of a. So from rule of exponent, a power of m times n can be written as a power of n times m, or vice versa. So applying this one, this 5 power of 2a will be 5 power of a power of 2 plus 5 power of 3, which is equal to 30 times 5 power of a. Now this 5 cubed will be 125, and let's rearrange this equation. So when we rearrange this equation, it will be 5 to the power of a power of 2. Let's bring this one to the left hand side, minus 30 times 5 power of a plus 5 cubed, which is equal to 0. So let's use substitution here. Let 5 power of a is equal to y. So this equation will be y squared minus 30 times y plus 5 cubed will be 125, which is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation. So let's solve this one. So let's find two numbers whose product is 125. whose product is 125 and whose sum is minus 30. So this, when we look at this number, so it will be a product of minus 25 and minus 5. So when we sum up this one, we will get minus 30. So minus 25 plus minus 5 will be this 30. So this y square minus 30 y plus 125 will be y square minus 25u minus 5u plus, this is minus 25 times minus 5, which is equal to 0. So here we have y into, sorry, this is y, not u. So y minus y into y minus 25 minus, we do have minus 5 and minus 5 here, so minus 5 into y minus 25, which is equal to 0. So now we have y into y minus 25 minus 5 now we have y into y minus 25 minus 5 into y minus 25, which is equal to 0. So we have a common term y minus 25, so y minus 25 times y minus 5, which is equal to 0. So we do have y minus 25, which is equal to 0, or y minus 5, which is equal to 0. So this will be y, which is equal to 25, and here y, which is equal to 5. So but y is equal to 5 to the power of a. So this y, which is equal to, for case 1, this is case 1 and this is case 2. So for case 1, y is equal to 25. So 25, which is equal to 5 to the power of a. So this 25 can be expressed as 5 power of 2, which is equal to 5 power of a. So we do have the same base, and a will be 2. And for case 2, y, which is 5, which is equal to 5 to the power of a. So it means 5 power of 1, which is equal to 5 to the power of a. So a is equal to 1. So we have a value of a, but we have to find the value of b. This is value of a, and now we have to find the value of b. So from equation 2, we have a plus b, which is equal to 3. So for case 1, a is 2, so 2 plus b, which is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3 minus 2. b is equal to 1. And also for case 2, that's a plus b, which is equal to 3. So a is 1 plus b, which is equal to 3. b, which is equal to 3 minus 1. So b is equal to 2. So our solution will be a, which is equal to to b, which is equal to 1, and a, which is equal to 1, b, which is equal to 2. So we can verify by substituting this value into the given equation. So let's take equation 2, which is a plus, or equation 1. Let's take equation 1. So let's take a, which is equal to 2, and b, which is equal to 1. So 5 power of 2 plus 5 power of 1, which is equal to 30. So this will be 25 plus 5 will be 30. So 30, which is equal to 30.